Oh, Adelaide, hi. Let's see what you've got. Ah, subtitles. No, they're not for you, they're for everyone else. The Grand Prix. Oh no, Melbourne's got that. A strange accent that's 99% Bogan, but there's 1% Queen's English that comes out when you say dance or chance. The phrase heaps good. You need a few of those. Some Lego, Lego. It's just weird. A water filter because your water tastes like a swimming pool. A Holden bucket hat, trackies, a mullet, a Crows jersey, or a Port jersey, a hatred of the person who's wearing the Port jersey, a hatred of the person who's wearing the Crows jersey, jubilation at the fact that Adelaide was voted the most livable city in Australia, the fact that you still have to justify it to everyone else why Adelaide is actually good, serial killers, a proportionate fear of barrels, a box of complaints about how far away something is if it's further than 25 minutes, reminding people when Sia comes up in conversation that she's from Adelaide, a street directory, you probably won't need that, a windbreaker, because basically everywhere's a wind tunnel, a random smell that you wonder where it's coming from, but then you realise it's actually the River Torrens, telling yourself you'll never say, let's meet at the Mall's Balls, the realisation that when you're actually meeting someone in Adelaide that the best place to actually meet is the Mall's Balls, some anger due to the power failure that happens in that week in summer when it's 49 degrees, a moderate to high hatred of Melbourne, frog cakes, honey ice cream, Hague's chocolate, Farmers Union iced coffee, an e-scooter, schooner that's actually a pot, a pint that's actually a schooner, an imperial pint that's actually a pint, asking everyone where they went to school, having a cousin that went to that exact school, leaving the footy when the Crows are losing. You'll need a few of those. Constantly bragging about how good the Barossa is because it's heaps good. Never letting go of the fact that you were free settlers. Church. The inability to get dinner after 8:30 p.m, a SIBO coffee loyalty card, a festival pass for all the festivals. An overpriced wine tour, solar panels, driving speeds. Now, which one did you want? Because there's only two options, comatose or maniac. Saturday night manies down Hindley Street in your shitbox of a car, an affinity to Maggie beer, Cooper's Pale Ale, the Big Bird costume, a sighting of a stray cat, angle parking in the city, a tram ticket to Glenelg, and doing 60 kilometres down a 4-lane highway. Okay, see you Adelaide, bye. Next, Perth. Now, if you're thinking about getting bricks, don't even think about it. McGowan cleared us out last year.